Thinking about cutting the cord and switching to YouTube TV this year? You're probably wondering how much it actually costs. Well, if you sign up right now, YouTube TV is offering a generous 10-day free trial, plus a massive discount on their main plan. But with different options and sports packages available, which one should you actually choose? Let's break down exactly what you get for your money. Let's start with the most popular option. Currently, YouTube TV is running a promotion where the main plan is just $67.99 per month for your first few months. For that price, you get over 100 live channels, including local networks like ABC, CBS, and Fox, plus top cable channels like ESPN and HGTV. The absolute best part? The unlimited cloud DVR. You can record as many shows and sports games as you want without worrying about storage space. Plus, this single plan lets you create up to 6 individual profiles for your family. No installation guys, and no hidden cable box fees. Now, if you are a massive sports fan, you might have noticed a specific sports plan available for $54.99. This is tailored specifically for viewers who want pure sports coverage without paying for all the extra entertainment channels they won't watch. It gives you access to a dedicated lineup of sports networks, making it a great budget-friendly option if game day is your only priority. The smartest way to test this out is by taking advantage of their current 10-day free trial. This is completely risk-free. You can sign up, test the interface on your Roku or Smart TV, check if your favorite local channels are available, and see how the DVR works. If you don't like it, just cancel before the 10 days are up and you won't be charged a single dime. At $67.99, YouTube TV remains one of the most reliable cable replacements, especially with how smoothly it runs on Roku and Fire TV devices. Are you going to take advantage of the 10-day free trial? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more streaming guides and tutorials.